This is Mahesh here. I'm the marketing head for this. We are showcasing the Sudhakar profile systems, and we are happy to announce that we are launching the 5-color laminated profiles with this show for the market. Till now we were with the white color profile and 2 or 3 colors. Now we are happy to announce with the 5-color laminated. This goes with the walnut, golden oak, dark black, mahogany and jet black. If you are observing the windows over here, we have given all the regular requirement of any residential purpose. For example, if you see the door which is showcased outside, it's a balcony door which comes with a 4 feet width and 8 feet height of each shutter. So here we will have a wide opening for a beautiful view and everything. And at the same time, the window which you are having next to you, it comes with a mesh where you are also safe from the mosquitoes and other pets and all, like in the slider system. The advantage of slider system is you will have so much of space restrictions where you cannot open the window outside and all, like. So at that point, this helps out for you to reduce the passage area blockage and all, like. It's very convenient. And at the same time, you have inward options, outward options based upon your construction design and all, like. And you have the top hung, you have the tilt and turn. For example, this particular window is called as a tilt and turn. Nagendra, just operate this window. So this is a tilt and turn window where you will have a cross ventilation option, and at the same time you can also open it when you want a wide opening and all, like. So similarly, we have a wide range of hardwares which are suitable for our profile systems with the all European technology and all, like. And we are proud to announce that we are one of the Asia's best quality product launching in India with the color laminations, and we are 3-year-old with more than 60 fabricators all over India. And now we are expanding our business all over India and going to appoint fabricators more aggressively, looking forward for having more than 150 fabricators all over India. So if anyone interested in the business also, we are happy to guide you. You can just observe for more details on sudhakarind.com. Now here, if we have to talk on the customer point of view, especially for the Mumbai market, people are aware of the aluminum windows and doors till now, but they are not aware of the UPVC. So many people who had come here and stepped here for the first time as an end customer, they were very happy by seeing the UPVC windows and options with the zero maintenance, and at the same time, all this UPVC when compared with the aluminum, these are very eco-friendly, where it supports with the Go Green, and at the same time, the high temperature tropical region where we are living, here having the aluminum windows will increase their heat temperature inside their house, which raises their AC bills and all, like. When they come to know about the characteristics of the UPVC windows, where it is a bad heat conductor and it will restrict the sound and it will restrict the heat entering inside their houses, they are extreme happy. And after this post-COVID also, within just 2-3 hours, we are very happy and thankful for the Mumbai people for their excellent response, and we are hopefully looking for excellent conversions also based on their interactions. Thank you, Mumbai.